Hundred Acre Woods, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! I'm a kite, Boo!
Happy Wednesday! Ooh!
First over, and now this.
This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger. Follow me, right this way. Heffalumps and Woozles, steal honey. Beware, beware. Heffalumps and Woozles, Heffalumps and Woozles.
Is what you covet. You'll find they love it because they got so
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Pooh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Happy birthday!
Hooray!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pooh!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all those presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back. Tigger's love giving presents.
Wasn't that fun?